Good morning, everyone. Today we are gathered here for our first TPO activity, that is introduction. So let me start from myself. So my name is Om Sambhajiraje Gadge and I am from Umraz. I have completed my 10th from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Satara with uh, 92% and my 12th from Disha Public School and Junior College Y with 77%. Currently I am pursuing my engineering in BTech from Government College of Engineering Karad. I am in my third year of graduation with civil engineering as my branch. uh, Other than my academics, I also like to take part in many co-curricular activities. I have participated in different clubs. I was a organizing committee member of Dice Club. Also, I have took part in the CESA quiz competition. I I have done many. I have done science project and mini project recently. My hobbies include watching movies, going on trek, reading newspaper. Currently, I am studying for civil service examination, and my strength is I am focused and I'm very punctual. I like to complete my work in time, and I like to speak with people, new people, and uh, that's all from my side. Thank you. So, Nidhi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Trupti Madhukar Mane. I am from Borgaon, district Sangli. I have completed my SSC education from PM Karve High School from Borgaon and HSC education from PVP College Kautemanka. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in third year in civil engineering from Government College of Engineering Karat. Along with civil engineering, I am passionate about C and Python. I have completed a course in AutoCAD from Intershala with verified certificate. I have done two projects till now. One is on Science Day with my team members, which is on smart street lights, and second is mini project, which is on retrofitting. Apart from academics, I like to manage and coordinate. I am the coordinator of House of Arts Club, Yoga and Aerobic Club, and also the member of Cultural Committee. I like to cooking, designing, and reading books. That's it from myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Trupti. Next is Srushti.
Good morning. My name is Srishti Patil. I am from Gadinglas district, Kolhapur. I have completed my primary and secondary education from New Horizon CBSE School, Gadinglas. I have completed my higher secondary education from Radhakrishna Junior College, Gadinglas. Currently, I am in third year pursuing my BTech in Civil Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. During my college, I have been associated with two projects, one of which is the Smart Street Light System, and the other being our minor project, in which we studied in detail the various construction activities involved in the Nagpur Metro Rail project. Further, I have also completed my AutoCAD training from Intershala. As a part of my industrial training, I have been visiting the construction site of a commercial building in Gadinglas itself. Uh, Besides this, I take interest in public speaking, in personality development activities, and music. My strengths are I am a self-confident enthusiast and a punctual person. That's all from my side. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself.
Thank you, Srushti. Next is Shivani.
Hello everyone, myself Shivani Vajravardarkar from Kolhapur. Currently I am studying BTech Civil third year in Government College of Engineering, Karad. I completed AutoCAD course in Coursera platform. Along with civil engineering, I am passionate about programming languages like C, C++, Python. I am Google verified and certified person. Also, I am GoDaddy Academy learner. I am a proud team leader in Corporate Infocom Private Limited. I have 1 year experience in CIPL company. I am also owner and founder of my own website that name is freewings.com. I am also SEO and SMO expert. I train 50 plus students in digital marketing course. I have good experience in selling and marketing. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivani. Next is Vidula.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Vidula Gaude, and I'm pursuing my third year of bachelor's degree in stream of civil engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I'm from Islampur district, Sangli. I did my schooling from Adarsh Balak Mandir High School, Islampur, and I completed my HSC education from Sanjay Ghodawat IIT and Medical Academy, Atigre. My hobbies are playing badminton and listening to the podcasts and music. I have learned C, C++, and Python languages. Recently, I have completed my AutoCAD course on Coursera, and I'm trying to work on some plans. As my area of interest is in construction of buildings, I'm visiting the construction sites near me. My strength is I'm self motivated. My goal in life is to achieve a good position so that I can build my career and the organization as well for needy people. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidula. Next participant is Altaf.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Altaf Sikandar Sheikh. Currently, I am studying in Government College of Engineering, Karad. I'm completing my SSC in partly high school, partly with 71%. Also, I'm completing my HSC in partly high school, partly with 81%. My hobbies are to play cricket, play football, and I'm also passionate in C++. Thank you.
Thank you, Altaf. Next is Snehal.
Good morning. Good morning, one and all. My name is Snehal Uttam Bagre. I belong to Solapur. In my family, apart from my parents, I have an elder brother. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in civil engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. After completing my SSC and HSC from English School Mangalveda with 95 and 77 percentage respectively. Other than academics, I am learning AutoCAD and doing my internship in ABI construction since last 2 months. Also, I am a member of MESMEX exclusive group, which gives me information about business strategies, sales, and marketing. Also, I am preparing for GATE exam. My strengths are I am self motivated, focused, and hardworking. My hobbies are swimming and listening to music. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Snehal. Next participant is Sanjot.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanjay Shankar Garande. I was born and raised in Maswad. I am pursuing BTech third year in civil engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad, and currently I am preparing for the GATE exam. I have done my intermediate in Siddhanath High School and Junior College and SSC in Nanvardhani High School. Coming to my family, there are 4 members in my family, including to me. My hobbies are watching movies and listening to music. My strengths are patience, self-confidence, and hardworking. My short-term goal is to get a job and improve my professional skills, and my long-term goal is to be a successful person in all aspects of life. That's all about myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjot. Now, last but not the least is Sakshi.
Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Subhash Dhutre. Currently, I am pursuing my third year BTech Civil from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my HSC from Bhor, Pune and SSC from Bhor itself. In my engineering up till now, I have completed Smart Street Light project with my other team members. Currently, I am learning AutoCAD and also further planning to learn Revit. And I'm also preparing for GATE exam. My hobby is writing and I'm also visiting nearby construction sites. That's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you, Sakshi. So with this, our first activity, that is introduction, has finished. Thank you everyone for participating in this activity. Thanks.